Operating from a place of consciousness, it's a blessing that others won't get to experience because not everyone will wake up from the messed up mystification. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is the ultimate guide on how to rearrange your life. Here are some 8 steps on how to unfuck your life. So, stay tuned. Step number one, there's a rule when it comes to problem solving in general. First, you have to acknowledge and also admit that there is a problem that needs to be salvaged, that needs to be fixed. And that's the first crucial step that cannot be skipped. The process of diagnosing the problem is extremely vital because that's what will give you the clarity on where you need to intensively focus on. Step number two, eliminate those insidious beliefs and the fallacies that were deeply embedded inside of your brain by the society. All those fallacies, all those perspectives, because it's clear that they are the ones that are resisting you from becoming the best version of yourself and also becoming prosperous. So, for you to escape that bondage, you need to develop a new perspective and start using your own logic more than what has been conceptualized as a norm by the society. Step number three, stop the victim mindset. You have played victim for so long and it's clearly not working for you. Because reality is that whether you keep on playing victim or not, but the world won't pause just to entertain you. So the best thing to do is to eliminate your childish behavior. Stop pointing fingers and blaming people. Because nobody is responsible for your own life. You are the driver of your own vehicle. You are the author of your own story. You are the CEO. Therefore, you are the only one who has the infinite power and the responsibility to make the call. Step number four, avoid associating yourself with people who have nothing in common as you, who are not going where you're going because they will derange you. They are going to distract you and, make your journey extremely difficult than it is already. Because keep in mind that change requires intensive focus. So you keeping the very same people who are dragging you down close to you, you are going to make things extremely difficult for yourself. Step number five, if you're serious about inspiring change upon your life, if you're looking for different results, then you have to start moving different. Make some drastic changes, change your schedules and routines. If you used to sleep late and wake up late, then start sleeping early so that you can wake up early and have the enough energy to make your day productive. And that's how you inspire change, by making drastic changes that will contribute growth in your day to day life. Step number six, start prioritizing knowledge. Educate yourself because what is resisting you from becoming the things that you like to become is probably the lack of knowledge. As the quote says, the inconvenience it is always caused by the lack of knowledge. So essentially, what this actually implies is that the less exposed you are to knowledge, the more you're going to make things extremely difficult for yourself because you won't have the ability to diagnose your problems. And step number seven, invest in yourself. Pause everything and make yourself the number one priority. There's a reason why investing in yourself is such a crucial step when it comes to self development because it's the foundation. The foundation has to be strong enough so that you can be able to start building. It all starts within. By paying full attention to yourself, improve your fashion sense, start hitting the gym and build a dream physique. Because you know what they say, when you look good, you feel good. And when you feel good about yourself, that's when you will start to even think positively. And lastly, step number eight, hang out with people with value. Hang out with people who genuinely want to see you grow. They will bring positive impact in your life. They will feed you their wisdom, and that will make things more convenient for you and accelerate your progression. So, before you click off, I just want to let you know that there's an online course that I've created where I talk more about how to change the way you think in order for you to see drastic changes in your life. So, if you are interested, all you really need to do is to click that link below in my description, and that link will take you straight to my Telegram. And from there, you'll be provided with the necessary information on what you need to do in order for you to view the course. So, hopefully, I will see you there. So, guys, my name is Johannes. Till next time, cheers.